Hi, you reached Mel from Mel W Scrapping, here to bring you another layout that I've done. It is for Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches with Dotty About Flares prompt for day 2, which is hearts. Okay, and now we'll go across to my layout. I've done a layout of a kookaburra that comes visiting us quite regularly. I used the Mowed Lawn Distress ink, and you'll notice that I actually flipped the sketch so it turned around. I only had 4 photos, so I kind of had to try and fit it on and do the long title, which I used some really old letters that I had, probably from way back in Creative Memories time. I then did some journaling on the other 2 that I didn't have photos for. I cut a frame in half and popped it around the sides, and then I had some ephemera that was Australiana, so I found some kookaburras in that. And this is what I've come up with. I did some little crystals as well to finish off the clusters, and I've got little gold hearts everywhere. I'll do a close-up at the end of the gold hearts and the ephemera that I've got on there. If you've enjoyed this quick video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to watching these videos, I'm only doing simple, quick ones at the moment until I get myself set up properly. Please subscribe. Thank you to everyone else who has subscribed. It's been amazing. And here we go. I'll do a close-up of the hearts that I've got on there. I did use some of the Fernwood hearts as well.